Hi dears, uh, today I am planning to do the very important questions of integration using trigonometric identities, the point of board examination point of view. So for doing this particular topic, you know very well, you should be little bit fluent in trigonometry formula you learned from grade 11th. That also not exactly as it is grade 11th trigonometry formula. You need to rearrange that formula or redefine that formula suitable for grade 12th topics as a whole. So an example over here, see 1 minus cos x. If you know the formula directly, 1 minus cos x, 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x formula, 2 cos square x by 2. We can derive this formula from the grade 11th formula we learned, but one thing is that we need time also. We are writing examination, so we need enough time for writing, for completing the entire paper. So if we sit with the formula derivation, we don't get enough time for completing the paper. So as possible, maximum formula you can remember. That's what my advice you. So here, 2 will be cancelled, and this is very clear, will be tan square x by 2 dx, and is equal to tan square is very clear, sec square x by 2 minus 1. We have integrals for both the functions, both the terms directly. So sec square x by 2 is a standard integral, tan x by 2 but by 1 by 2 minus x plus c. So sometimes you have a confusion of how did you get this 1 by 2. It's quite natural. So what is happening over here is actually under substitution rule, but there is no it's not compulsory to do it in substitution rule because it's a simple integral. So even it is also, I'll give an explanation for that, this particular portion. So here you take it as this x by 2 as t. So t is equal to x by 2 and differentiate dt, 1 by 2 dx. So we want the dx, so dx will be 2 dt, and afterwards if you try to integrate this particular integrand, see integral sec square t, this dx will be 2 dt. Still we will have the answer, integral sec square t will be tan t, and 2 tan t is nothing but x by 2. So see, that's what we got it here. This is actually, this answer is by reciprocal multiplication. This will be 2 tan x by 2 minus x, and plus c is over here. I think it's clear for you. And it is not compulsory always to go for this kind of simple functions for substitution method, because I already told you we are writing examination also. We are not simply integrating and sitting there. We are writing examination also. So we need enough time to do. So this kind of simple things, if we go for the substitution method and all others, even in this matter, I told you the formula. Instead writing the formula directly, we go for workspace and we do a lot of simplifications and transferring here and there. This will take time. So this time actually it is very precious for thinking later for your hard questions. So better you can go for this kind of formula, and you can avoid this kind of simple questions of substitution methods also. I hope you understood. Thank you.